Hi, welcome or welcome back to my videos. My name is Fenja and I'm the Highland Witch.
You tell me it's not a good idea. I should probably hide my face around here. Too many ties and too many fears. What I gotta do for a break, my dear.
And this is part 3. I really love traveling, finding new places, meeting new people, and especially discovering more of my home country, Scotland. When I left Glen Affric from my last video, I drove down to Isle of Luing to see a friend.
Welcome to Scotland, Prince Charles Edward Stuart. The news frae my that come ye stream will soon gar money fairly, for ships of war hae just come in and landed Royal Charlie. Come through the heather, around him gather, you're all the welcome are early. Around him cling we all your kin, for all be king but Charlie. Come through the heather, around him gather, come Ronald, come Donald, come all together and crown your right.
Isle of Luing is one of 8 slate islands which form a group at the west coast of Scotland. Slate is used to build roofs and sometimes houses and walls. The first written record of slate being taken of these islands is from the 17th century. I came to this beautiful island to see my friend Richard, who is a boat builder and designer. In my time here we've been on 2 bike rides. First to Isle of Seil, as we had to pick up a wrong delivered parcel. Hi baby. Hi mama. Good job on you.
Right to
Yeah. Fortunately, the parcel ended up at Sheila's absolutely amazing garden at Ancala, which I was too shy at the time to film, but I've seen she even has a website as the garden is open for visitors. Sheila is a very lovely lady with a fantastic interior design taste. She invited us for a tea and I said that I would like to come back someday, and she wished to have some conversation in German. Hi. So what was this island called again? Yes. Such a beautiful day today. We had some lovely adventures, but I also helped him send the boat, grind the boat trailer, and later on painted it. So we're now trying to make a plan to make a throw over for this boat, and he has specific ideas to have sort of a tent as well.
And from our house we could hear it, but which was about 8 miles away from where they were performing, but what we could hear was the screaming. We couldn't hear any of the music at all.
So happy as Richard has a bread baking machine and I am a gluten-free vegan bread eater. Let's hope this banana bread will work out. I even use pumpkin seed flour, so special. Thank you. So excited because gluten-free and vegan is not easy to bake. You open it. Well, let's see, take it out. I mean, the taste is probably the most important, so... Oh, it did rise a little bit. Not as much as, obviously, your normal bread, but let's have a slice.
It's prettier for bluebells. Mm-hmm. Don't usually get bluebells out the back there.
No?
No.
Oh, so many of them. I thought
it must have been something I did this particular time. It's been a very good year for the primrose.
So, about the bread, it is maybe a little bit mushy, and it's still pretty warm. So let's see how it will keep that fluffiness. The taste is very good because it's very much like German black bread. So it doesn't taste much like banana, but I do like it so far. Good morning. It's about 5 a.m. and this night I slept finally in my van at my home again. The last couple of nights I slept at my friend's in the house because of my diesel heater not working, and I thought it might be better, but actually being in my van, being in my home, outside, especially in this surrounding, just feels so good. And the first couple of hours last night I had the door open in the dark, and it just felt so good. It was a bit windy, but I like just sleeping on the warm blankets and having the fresh wind in my face. But then it just got so windy, and I thought if it rains then it will not be good for the van. But as soon as I woke up, which I did because a pheasant was just in front of the van screaming, I opened the door again. So it is still pretty grey, but at the same time it feels oddly warm. I don't know, it's kind of nice. It's oddly nice, so yeah. That's my view onto the water. I don't think the pheasant is still there. No. And a little bit of rain. Today, me and my friend, we will go onto the mainland to do some shopping. Well, let's go over to mainland to go and do some shopping in shitty weather. Easier to film if I'm not driving. But your mask is covering a bit. So, welcome to Oban, this little fishing village, which I really like though.
My heart's in the Highlands, my heart is not here. My heart's in the Highlands, a chasing the deer, a chasing the wild deer, and following the roe. My heart's in the Highlands, wherever I go. There will take the Highlands, there will take the north, the birthplace of valor, the country of worth. Wherever I wander, wherever I rove, the hills of the Highlands forever.